Alright guys, welcome back. This is another update video. Now I've been saying this for a long time, guys. I just wanted to get my air conditioner clean. So guys, I actually got it disassembled today and started working on it. It's going to take me about 4 to 5 days to clean out the whole unit. Because obviously, guys, a lot of work to take care of. Kind of like your dogs, I got to take care of them. So guys, my air conditioner needed desperate TLC. And so I actually was at work on that today, guys. Give my air conditioner a little bit of love. Some TLC. You know how that goes. Anyway, so guys, I just wanted to get you guys updated here what I did today. Cleaned out my air conditioner. Well, it was somewhat cleaned out because I still got a lot of work to do on it. Oh, this, guys. Having to work on air conditioners could be a hard, but it's also a fun job. I love HVAC-R. Oh man, some days, guys, just gotta have a good laugh. All right. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to get you updated. I also did bring my K5. All right, so this is my K5 steam locomotive that I restored. And this is the complete restoration of the engine. Now that it's in operating condition. Sorry, you guys can't see that as well. But here's the other side. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys this here because this is an amazing machine. Look at that. Now the front is missing, but I'm going to try to find that. Other than that, here's the blue paint job that I put on. Just comment down below how you guys think I did. Oh, yeah, I'm going to set that aside so we can continue on the update. But anyway, guys, I'll give you some information about my air conditioner. It's made in January 2007. And it was it's a General Electric. I can't remember the model number. You know me, I'm terrible with long model numbers like that. But anyway, guys, I did get to work on it today. And for some reason, guys, I thought it had a metal blade. It actually has a plastic blade. Oh, man. See, guys, this is what happens when you're doing fun stuff, down in your workshop. It gets funny. Oh, me, guys, I have a great sense of humor, by the way. All right. Well, guys, anyway, that's a little bit of an update. And so, guys, we are going to do a part 2 of this update tomorrow night. Just air conditioner cleaning, TLC. Now, guys, I am going to ask my mom if she could take video of me cleaning it. And, guys, we'll upload it here on my channel. It'll be my first HVAC-R video. How to clean your window air conditioner. How to give it TLC. Now, guys, I do want to make a couple of remarks here before I close out this video. First thing, guys, I'm going to give you guys a warning when you're doing this. Be careful so you guys don't want to lose your Freon. Because then you have to convert it. Now, guys, I was thinking of converting it to R407C refrigerant. By the time they phase out R22, I think I'm going to have to get R407C. Oh, man. Well, guys, I don't know how much I'd have to put in. But I'd have to charge it up, maybe even put a sight glass on it. I don't know. You guys tell me. Ah! Sorry, guys. A little bit of a freak show there. That didn't work out too good. Condenser fans fell over. I'll set them over there. But anyway, guys, that's the update. I'm going to check in with you guys tomorrow night for another update video on my window air conditioner cleaning. And then, guys, we'll upload it. We'll try to get video of it, and we'll put it up on my channel. All right. Anyway, guys, have a great night, and we'll catch you in our next video.